Hello, everyone. My name is Alex Colon. I am a graduate assistant with the Office of Academic Assessment and Program Review. And today in this video, we're going to be going over how to attach the institutional learning outcome rubrics to an existing assignment on Canvas. So the very first thing that you want to do is locate the Canvas course shell in question that you're going to be assessing. And then once at the Canvas homepage, you want to direct your attention to the tabs on the left and locate outcomes. Once you click on outcomes, you're going to click on the find icon. And then this will open up a window with a tab on the left that says account settings. Go ahead and click on that and click on California State University. This is going to come up, bring up different ILOs. The ones that we are looking at this here are ILO 3 and 5, but as you'll notice from my screen, there are two different files in question. The one that we're going to be looking at is the one that says dimensions. So for the sake of this video, let's look at ILO 5, and we're not going to click on learning value rubric. We're going to click on the one that says ILO dimensions rubric. And so before watching this video, you should have been looking at or currently have the ILO dimensions rubric. Please identify which dimensions on that rubric align with your assignment. Not all of the dimensions have to align. For the sake of our sample video, let's say the sample assignment I'll be assessing is looking at ILO 5A and 5B. I'll click on 5A and it'll bring up cultural awareness, which is one of the dimensions of global learning. And we're going to go ahead and import. Press OK. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to click the find icon, and it should still have the same ILOs brought up. And I'm going to go ahead and click ILO 5B. And I'm going to go ahead and that's for cultural contributions. I'm going to go ahead and import that. Once you import all of the outcomes that you are assessing on the assignment, go ahead and click on the assignments tab and locate the assignment in question that you indicated on the Qualtrics survey you will be assessing for the ILO. Once on the assignment homepage, you want to scroll to the bottom and you want to click on the Add Rubrics button. From here, we're going to go ahead and delete the rubric template maker and click Find Outcome. And then you'll notice that it'll bring up a window, and on the left, you should be able to locate both ILO 5A and 5B, or whichever dimensions of the ILO that you imported. So we're going to go ahead and click ILO 5A. Now, this is very important. If you want the rubrics to count towards the overall grade for the student in the class, you want to go ahead and leave this box checked. Use the criterion for scoring. If you do not want the rubrics to count towards the student's grade, go ahead and uncheck it. For the purposes of our video, I'm going to uncheck it, and we're going to click import. Now we're going to do the very same thing for ILO 5B. Click on the find icon button. Click on 5B cultural contributions. I do not want this rubric to go towards the student's score. And we're going to hit import. Once you've imported all of the outcomes that you want to attach to the assignment, go ahead and create rubric. The assessment rubric is now attached to the assignment. And so now what you can do is go ahead and go to Speed Grader. And when you go to Speed Grader, as you'll notice here on the left is on the right, is a view rubric button. Once you click that, the ILO rubric dimensions that you imported will be here. And because I selected to not add into the grade, once I go ahead and click on the scores, it still allows me the room to grade the assignment like I normally would. And that concludes this video. If you have any questions or in need of any assistance, please contact the Office of Academic Assessment and Program Review. Thank you so much.